Survival isn't about fancy recipes. It isn't about gourmet meals cooked over a campfire. When things go wrong, survival becomes much simpler than that. It's about fuel. Quiet, reliable fuel that keeps your body moving when electricity is gone, supplies are running low, and making a fire might attract attention you don't want. Today, we're counting down 20 survival foods that can last for years, some even decades, and can be eaten straight from the shelf with zero cooking required. By the end of this video, you'll know which foods can keep you nourished, energized, and ready when everyone else is scrambling for their next meal. Let's start with the king of survival foods, honey. Honey is famous for one incredible reason. It is the only food known to never truly expire. Archaeologists have discovered jars of honey in ancient tombs that were still edible thousands of years later. But honey isn't just long-lasting. It's packed with natural sugars that provide quick energy when your body needs it most. On top of that, honey has natural antibacterial properties and has been used for centuries to help protect minor wounds and cuts. In a survival situation, having something that works as both food and a basic antiseptic is a huge advantage. Number 2, dried dates are often called nature's energy bars. They're loaded with natural sugars, fiber, and important minerals. During long walks, evacuations, or stressful situations, a handful of dates can quickly restore energy without requiring any preparation. Stored properly, dried dates can remain usable for years. Number 3, raisins may seem ordinary, but survival isn't about exciting food. It's about efficient calories. These tiny dried grapes are lightweight, easy to store, and packed with quick-burning carbohydrates. They're perfect for keeping energy levels stable during physically demanding situations. Number 4, dried apricots provide calories, fiber, and nutrients in a compact package. They're especially useful because they contain potassium, which helps support muscle function and hydration when resources become limited. Number 5, molasses. Most people overlook molasses. That could be a mistake. Molasses contains natural sugars that help replenish energy quickly during periods of intense movement or stress. It also provides minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium. When your body is under pressure, these nutrients can make a real difference. Number 6, peanut butter is a survival classic. It requires no cooking, contains healthy fats, protein, and plenty of calories. A few spoonfuls can provide lasting energy for hours. Unopened jars can remain shelf-stable for a surprisingly long time. Number 7, canned tuna. When it comes to ready-to-eat protein, canned tuna is hard to beat. No cooking, no preparation, just open and eat. Protein becomes incredibly important during emergencies because it helps maintain muscle and supports recovery from physical exertion. Number 8, canned chicken. Just like tuna, canned chicken offers a reliable source of protein with zero cooking required. Many survival experts consider it one of the most practical foods for long-term emergency storage. Number 9, jerky. Beef jerky has fueled travelers and explorers for centuries. It's lightweight, packed with protein, and easy to carry. Properly packaged jerky can last a long time while providing valuable nutrition. Number 10, Hardtack crackers. Hardtack may not win any awards for taste, but it has survived wars, sea voyages, and centuries of use because of its incredible shelf life. These simple crackers can remain edible for years when stored correctly. Number 11, pure maple syrup. Here's one many people don't expect. Pure maple syrup can last for an extremely long time when stored properly. More importantly, it contains minerals like manganese and potassium that help support electrolyte balance. In a survival situation where nutrition options are limited, every nutrient matters. Number 12, canned beans. provide one of the best combinations of calories, protein, and fiber. Since canned beans are already cooked during processing, they're ready to eat directly from the can. Number 13. Mixed nuts deliver concentrated calories, healthy fats, and protein. A small handful provides significant energy, making them ideal for emergency situations where every calorie counts. Number 14. Sunflower seeds are compact nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in fats, protein, and essential nutrients while requiring absolutely no preparation. Number 15. Pumpkin seeds offer protein, magnesium, and healthy fats. They're easy to store and can help diversify your emergency food supply. Number 16. Dark chocolate, yes. Chocolate belongs on a survival list. Dark chocolate provides quick energy, contains antioxidants, and can offer a psychological boost during difficult circumstances. Morale matters more than many people realize. Number 17. Granola Bars A quality granola bar combines carbohydrates, fats, and convenience. They're portable, easy to store, and ready whenever you need instant fuel. Number 18. Powdered milk. While commonly mixed with water, powdered milk can also serve as a long-term survival staple due to its impressive shelf life. It contains protein, calcium, and other nutrients that may become difficult to obtain during emergencies. Number 19. Seaweed Snack Seaweed is lightweight, nutrient-dense, and naturally rich in minerals. Its long shelf life makes it a surprisingly useful addition to emergency food storage. Number 20. Survival Ration Bars finally. We have purpose-built survival ration bars. These are specifically designed for emergency situations, often lasting many years while providing dense calories in a compact package. They're not exciting, but they do exactly what survival food is supposed to do: keep you going. When people imagine survival, they often picture hunting, fishing, or cooking over a fire. But reality is usually much less dramatic. The smartest survival foods are often the simplest foods that sit quietly on a shelf, require zero cooking, and are ready the moment you need them. If you remember only 3 foods from this list, remember honey for its unmatched shelf life, dried fruits for rapid energy during movement, and pure maple syrup for its calories and valuable minerals. Because when an emergency arrives, the goal isn't to eat fancy meals. The goal is simple. Stay fueled, stay prepared, and stay one step ahead of the chaos. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more survival and preparedness content. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.